Hello and welcome to today's class. Today we're going to do an on-shape assignment. And so the first thing that you need to do is you need to save this image. Right click, save image as. For a Chromebook, you need to click with two fingers on the mouse pad and this box will pop up, save image as. It'll automatically save it on your computer. On mine, I have to save it as a screenshot to be able to look it up. Once you've done this, we're going to start with the steps. Step one is we're going to import the pig's face into Onshape. We're going to go to Onshape, create, document. We're going to title it piggy face, create. When it pops up, you're going to click the front on the dice so that it pulls up this page here. In the bottom left-hand corner, you're going to hit the plus sign and click import. You're then going to find your image. For you, you will click recent and it'll pull up the most recent image. For me, I have to find it here and click open. Once you're done doing that, these boxes will pop up. Exit out of all of them. You're going to click, we're going to go back and check the directions. We've imported it. Now we need to start a sketch on the front plane. So on the front plane, we're going to click sketch, and then we're going to click on the drawing field over here. Now we're going to insert the pig's face into sketch one. And so going back to Onshape, you're going to click this drop down button here and click insert image. Your image should appear here. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to go over just below the word front on the drawing field. You're going to click and pull out until you're happy with the size of your pig's face. Once you're done, the next step, step 4, says click the green check mark on sketch 1. So green check mark on step 1. Step 5 says start a second sketch. So we're going to click sketch, and then we're going to click on the pig's face. Step 6 says draw a sketch, a vertical line straight down the pig's face, as close to the middle as you possibly can. And so one of the things I find the easiest way to find the middle is take a line and these two nostrils, click and draw a line between the two of them, and then find the center point, which will be here. Escape from your line, click your line tool again, find the center point of those lines. It'll pop up that box. It'll draw a yellow arrow. You haven't clicked yet to draw it. Once you've done that, you'll click and draw that line straight down. So it's through there like this. Now, hit escape on your line tool. You're going to use the scissors and you're going to cut off the line that we drew for the nostrils. Now we have that center line for our pig. Step 7 says trace the left side of the pig's face. So go back to Onshape. We're going to use the spline tool for most of this. And so we're going to start at the top here. Just follow, using the spline tool, follow the pig's face. We're only doing the left side. So as you trace the left side, try to click close together. It allows you to have better control over the line. You have to zoom in a little bit. Zoom out if you need to, or zoom in, whichever one makes it easier for you to keep that line as close as you can to the image. Might have to adjust a few times. You're going to keep tracing the whole left side of the face. Now hit escape on your spline tool so that you can let go of the line. Then you're going to trace again this side of the left side, all sections of the nose. Once you reconnect back to that, you're going to have to hit escape on your spline tool again. Then start doing the nostril. Close the nostril. Now we're going to do the eye. Following the outside edge of the eye. All the way through. Once you finish the eye, you're going to go back and do the top part of the ear. Trace it the best you can, staying as close as you can to the lines. The closer you stay to the lines, the more it will match up here in just a moment when we go to mirror the image. We close the ear now. Click the front so that it pops back like this. Now you're going to hit the escape tool. We've traced the left side of the face. That's step 7. Step 8 says to use the mirror tool to copy the pig's face to the right side of the line that step that you drew in step 5. So we're going to click the mirror tool, which is up here. It says select the mirror line, which will be the line that we drew in the middle. And then now it says select the items that you want to be mirrored. You want to select the pieces so that the whole line turns orange. Once it does, you click it, it'll flip to the other side, and then you do it for each individual piece. Now, it doesn't line up perfectly. It's not going to, which is okay. It's not what we're looking for. Don't forget to get all the pieces. I almost forgot to get one of the nostrils. Now, according to the directions, once we've done the mirror tool, which we did, step 9 says hide the original pig face that you traced. So we want to go over here. See this eyeball? We're going to click it so that it hides it, so that the only thing left is just the pig's face. Then we check next. Step 10 says take a screenshot. And so you would go through and you would take a screenshot of your pig. Once you have that screenshot, it'll pop up and save for you. And the final step, step 11, says submit this to Canvas. At the top of your page, it says start assignment. It's currently locked because it's not open yet. But it'll say start assignment, and you will submit the screenshot that you just took of the pig's face and upload that for your assignment. It's worth 10 points.